So do you have any just basic tips for new people that want to start like dog sitting or dog walking?
Yeah. I definitely one of the major things I definitely think is like having a good profile because like everyone that is on Rover that wants you to watch their dog is probably like a dog lover and really does care about their dog and stuff. So
Yeah.
I think it's really important for your profile picture to not be like a selfie, like a Snapchat selfie, like that. It's like you're building like a clientele. You want to be like somewhat professional with these people, especially in the beginning, and like just like a Snapchat selfie isn't really that professional. And just having like a good profile to show that like you are passionate about pets and that you've had experience with pets and maybe you have your own pets, so you tell them about, your own pets. That's kind of what I did. I mentioned that I was a college student. I think if you're a college student, milk it because people like college students and they like feeling like they're helping college students. So
Yeah.
put that in your profile. And just honestly, just the competitive rates. You can't go on there and make yourself $5 more expensive than somebody else. And then also just having your friends and family write reviews because they can write reviews too. It just won't be a verified stay. So the people that write you reviews, like your clients and stuff, it will say like by their review verified stay. So people will know like this is someone that you went through Rover with versus some of the other comments are just like you had friends or family write for you. So
Oh, okay, yeah. I didn't even know that you could do that. That's kind of nice.
I know, and I've kind of been a little bit out of like the whole Rover thing for a little bit, but that's how it was when I was there. And I think now they're a little bit more pushy because I think at first they didn't really even ask your clients to leave a review, but I think they do now because pretty much all the recent ones I've had have left reviews. So that's really nice that they're kind of like asking them to do that. So I don't feel like I have to because that really helps like somebody that's trying to build a clientele. And then
Yeah.
also they have the tip option now, which is really nice with how everything's been. So